Premset has been designed to easy to select, easy to install, easy to use, easy to upgrade and easy to decommission and dispose of. Things for easy installation include easy accessible fixing points for bolts for securing the adjacent cubicle to each side, peg and hole for alignment when we are first aligning the switchgear, and also an innovative catch system that will secure the adjacent cubicle to it once you've got them aligned up, and that will positively align both cubicles together. The cubicle is compact, it's 375mm wide. We've got it raised off the ground so that a bit more room for the gland plate and the gland. Easy removable front cover to allow the cables to be easily inserted in. Removable baffle plates for giving that little bit more space for the jointer. Our gland plate, 2 positions, lower or raised depending on the type of cable, 3-core or single-core cable, and Type C profile bushing that will allow for separable connectors, heat shrink or cold fit boots. Above all, it is a cubicle which is designed for the installer or the contractor during installation. If in the future you need to add things to the cubicle, it is relatively easy. We've thought about that with a knockout system to add new components or new features to it, things that you didn't think about when you were first doing the project. Using a plug and play type technology, we're able to add things into the system just by plugging in, and away we go. It is already lit up, ready for use. Premset is intuitive and easy to operate with a series of shutters showing you what you can and you can't do. This is showing me that I can't operate that, I can't operate that, but I'm allowed to operate that. Mimic showing me the status of the cubicle, showing here that it's off, and the service position. So we'll switch the cubicle on. This is the switch. So insert the operating handle and make sure that the ratchet is in the right direction, and then just turn it round until we switch it on. Circuit earthing is very intuitive and is part of the 3-in-1 architecture that we've designed in. By selecting earth using this selector, prevents us from opening or closing the main switch. Now we're able to close the earth switch. This is a fast acting earthing switch moving at 6 meters a second, so it's capable of breaking a charged cable. And it's a manual independent system, means that the springs take over once you get to a certain point. As an integral part of the cubicle, we designed a cable test device. It's accessible via this cover, which has got a padlock point on it to prevent unauthorised access. Cover simply drops down. There is a plunger which is interlocked with the earth switch, so if the earth switch is open, i.e. not in earth, then the plunger will not drop all the way down. We've also got these screw-in probes to allow for easier test set connection. These screw in first when testing your cables using a standard test set, and then you can clip your test set on prior to opening the star bar. Test set clipped on, open the star bar, and then we're ready for cable testing. Premset has been designed with easy end-of-life disposal. Its SF6 gas is not included in the design, so you don't need to worry about recovery of SF6 gas. There's no hazardous emissions during the life of the product. There is no special requirements for disposing of the switchgear. The insulation technology currently complies with the latest legislation, so making disposal and decommissioning of the switchgear as easy and as painless as possible.